If you want to change the theme on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to settings, and in settings just tap on personalization. From here, just tap on themes, and from here you can select any theme which you like. Now you have some themes which are free, and you also have some themes which are paid. Now just select the theme which you like. For example, I will select this one, then tap on download. After you download your theme, then select apply, or you can select customize, and from here you can customize where you want to apply this theme. As you can see, it is already on lock screen in system, but you can also select icons and it will also change the icons, and you can select the home screen and it will adjust the home screen also according to this theme. After you select your preferred options, just select apply. Now if you go to your home screen, as you can see, we have successfully changed the theme on our Redmi 15C. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.